Struggling to engage visitors on your Joomla site with outdated location lists or static images that leave them guessing? Have you ever watched users bounce because your maps lack interactivity, missing opportunities to guide them to events, stores, or articles? The solution is Linky Map from Joom United, a dynamic Joomla extension that turns your site into an interactive navigation hub. This powerful plugin lets you create customizable maps using Google Maps or OpenStreetMap, adding clickable markers, embedded links to Joomla articles or K2 items, and rich content pop-ups with images and videos. Whether you're showcasing business locations, event venues, or portfolio projects, Linky Map integrates seamlessly with Joomla's core, supporting responsive designs for mobile users and SEO-friendly embeds. The benefits? It boosts user engagement with intuitive exploration, reduces bounce rates by providing clear directions, and drives conversions by linking directly to your content, all without coding. Let's dive into how you can set up your first interactive map step by step. Let's build one step by step to highlight your content dynamically. To give you a sneak peek, here's a map I prepared earlier. It showcases how yours will look once you've customized it. Each highlighted region represents a country, and when I hover over one, a text box pops up with the details I added. You can zoom in or out and drag the map for smooth navigation, making exploration intuitive. So let's craft your own region map. First, input a name for your map, like European, and an alias, to keep things organized later if you plan multiple maps. This simple step helps you manage your creations effortlessly, saving time as your site grows. Next, choose the region to display, which sets the map's initial focus. In my example, it's Asia, showing only countries within that area. Other regions stay hidden until zoomed. Select World for a broad overview, or zoom to one like Europe for targeted detail. For now, I would start with Europe to keep it focused and manageable. And then, let's mark countries in this region to create an infographic-style map like the one I showed. Click Add New Region, and input the country or region name using two methods. Enter the ISO code from Wikipedia for precision, or simply type the name, and the plugin auto-detects it for accuracy. Set the tooltip title, like the country name, or a custom title which appears on hover to draw users in. Add a tooltip description, such as a land of rich history and delicious cuisine, to provide value. Tailor it for travel guides, businesses, or research. You can even embed files or media for richer pop-ups. This personalization turns passive viewers into active explorers, increasing time on site and click-throughs. Finally, choose a color for the region. Pick vibrant green for France, and watch it update on the map below. This visual cue makes your content stand out, enhancing readability and appeal. As noted before, if you run a multi-location business and wish to mark where your shops sit on the region, highlighting an entire country might not suit your needs, right? No stress, we can handle it by adding markers instead. Check out this simple marker setup I prepared for cities in the Asia region. Similar to the earlier highlights, it pins custom spots on the map with my own descriptions added in. It focuses on specific locations, making your site more precise and user-friendly for targeted navigation. So let's create your own markers. Return to the plugin, but instead of adding a new region, click the Add New Marker button to switch focus. Here's the twist. Skip the country name or ISO code. Enter your custom location using longitude and latitude coordinates, like 35.6762, 139.6503 for Tokyo. Next, add the same familiar description. Input details such as this spot hosts the first shop, or that one is the second shop if you manage businesses. Or go with food here tastes amazing, the scenery stuns if you craft travel reviews. The choice depends entirely on how you plan to leverage this feature. Tailored markers boost engagement by linking directly to your unique content, enhancing click-throughs and dwell time. Now arrives the most exciting moment as you mark your map, going beyond highlighting existing country boundaries or placing pins on cities. You can craft custom markers like this too. Recall that glimpse I shared earlier at the video's start? Get thrilled. because you can create a map like this yourself in under 3 minutes. So let's dive right in. Meet the custom vector map option within the plugin, functioning much like the region or marker maps we explored. Begin by entering a name, then select the region to display on the map. Here's where it shifts. Unlike the region map, you'll see country names listed. Pick one, say Japan, to move forward with the next steps. Since you've chosen a country as the display, skip adding country names or ISO codes in the marker tab. The plugin auto-generates area codes for you to use across the map. From there, it's familiar territory. Input the area code, assign a name, add an engaging description to spark visitor interest, and pick a color like red to make it pop. That's all it takes to build a unique map that draws users in and boosts interaction. Fields and groups are Joomla's native system for adding custom data to content, like extra details for articles or locations. Think of fields as individual data points, such as a phone number or price, and groups as collections of those fields bundled together for organization. Linky Map integrates this seamlessly, so you can create and load these on your maps without extra plugins, simplifying setup for beginners. As this relies on Joomla's built-in system, I'll keep it light for now, since our focus stays on crafting marker maps with Linky Map. If you're curious about how fields and field groups interact with Linky Map, leave a comment below and I'll dedicate a full video to explore it in depth. You've learned to build region maps, add custom markers, customize appearances, transforming your site into a navigation hub. This plugin, priced at just $39 a year for unlimited sites, brings responsive designs, Google Vector Maps, and seamless Joomla integration, saving you time while boosting user engagement and traffic. Or to upgrade to the $59 bundle, which include My Map locations as well, to streamline your business idea even more. There's more to explore with advanced features. Try them out and share your map masterpieces with me in the comments. Head to JoomlaUnited.com to grab Linky Map and watch your site come alive. Thank you for joining. Subscribe for more Joomla tips, and let's keep mapping your success together.